How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Sure, bueno.
Okay, right. There. Who am I with?
Oh, Khairan.
Who?
Khairan.
Heran. Okay, who am I with?
MJ.
MJ. Okay, MJ and Heran. Like, I have few questions for you. Like, basically it's just a Q&A. Grade 5 quiz, actually. Okay. I hope you still record this.
Yeah, we do.
Okay. The first question is going to be on your side, bruh.
Sure.
Okay. The first question is, what is a verb?
A vet.
A verb.
A verb.
Yes.
I'm doing with.
Are you asking?
It's a doing with.
Okay, your question is, what is adjective?
I can say.
Back to Limpopo. To not.
Adjective king.
The second one. How many vowels do we have on English alphabet?
A, E, I, O, U. 5.
5. Okay. What is a noun?
Now, Nikki, Linju. It's a doing word. You're doing word.
Nakrile verb okay doing with. Oh, sharp.
I can say it now, Nikki.
Okay. When last did you get embarrassed?
Maban.
Can you spell embarrassment?
Embarrassment. Terrible.
Let's watch this video.
Mata embarrassment. I am.
Oh my God.
Be embarrassed.
That's embarrassment again.
Mata kiti. I guess I can say you. I can say you.
You don't want to give it a try?
No.
Yes.
Whip it.
Okay,
Okay, sure.